Hey, Chris MJ, welcome to another video this week. Thank you so much for clicking in, by the way, I really appreciate it. In this video, it's time to settle it. Which app should you use to shop online? Shopee or Lazada? You decide. But what we're going to do in this video is I'm not going to talk about 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12 or 13, 13. We're going to do a simulation, okay? First-hand buying experience of the same type of product on both Shopee and Lazada. And then from there, we can all decide and see which platform caters to our preferences lah. So before that, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, it will mean the world to me. And enjoy the video. Okay guys, so the first app that we're going to look at is Lazada. So grab your phone. We can do this together. And make sure you can see it over here. And let's begin. Okay, so what you're seeing now is the home page. So there's a flash sale going on, you can see that. Alright, as mentioned, we're going to think of a product and simulate buying it on Lazada and Shopee. I don't want to choose stuff that is like very typical, for example, face wash or Milo packet. No, I think that is something very common. So let's go for something more pricey or more expensive, slightly more on the expensive side, so that we can have a more distinct contrast on the both types of apps. Alright, I'll be going to Redang very soon, and I think a GoPro would be very useful. So let's just go for let's search a GoPro Hero 8. So I'm the buyer, I'm interested to buy a GoPro Hero 8, and let's see what comes up. GoPro Hero 8. Okay, and as you can see over here, we have a lot of options here. So let's look at the first one. GoPro Hero 8 Last Mall, 100% authentic. You can also see the stars as in the ratings lah. So let's click into this. This is 1,900 ringgit, yeah, 1,899. This is already minus 20%. And what is the package like? Let's see. Including shorty, 64 gig card, extra battery, silicone case. Okay, I'm just swiping through. Rating shows 4.8 stars out of 5, which is legit. Let's look at the ratings and reviews. What I can see here is there's only 4 reviews. Fast delivery, nice quality with extra 32 gig SD card given 64 gig. Thanks. Okay. Alright, so this is just one option, right? Let's look at the second one. 1,700 ringgit. 100% authentic also. It's from Last Mall. 5 stars. This is higher rating. Alright, there are 5 reviews. Okay. So, yeah. Over here, when you search for the product, you can see the price and the ratings. So that was for Lazada. Now, let's go to Shopee. Opening it up. Boom. So this is the home page. Now let's directly go to the search bar and search GoPro Hero 8. There it is. Alright, so immediately what you can see is, of course, like the same as Lazada as well. You can see the price, and then you can also see the stars, the ratings. But one thing that is really assuring for me over here is I can see how many units of these were sold. So if you can look at this one, 521 sold. This seems like the highest number here lah. So naturally, I will go for that. So let's just press into this, and it also has that preferred sign at the top left corner. If you look at the packages, there's the basic package, package A, package B, package C, and there seems to be way more extra stuff included. Now let's look at the price. Add to cart. Package A. Let's look at package A. 1.7k. Now earlier Lazada was 1.9k, yeah. But look at package A. This vendor here provides more free equipment. So we can see that there's the difference lah, okay? The package here is very different, and in terms of price, definitely Shopee has got my attention already. So I've decided I'm going to buy this GoPro Hero 8 using Shopee instead. Alright, and that's it. So that was the simulation part of the video. Now let's go into the post-mortem part, the analysis part. And I'm going to break it down into 3 simple categories. First impression, product ratings and reviews, and value. So number 1, first impression. In Lazada, what we saw when we searched GoPro Hero 8, we did see a few items that showed 100% authentic Last Mall. Now that was good. I think that was very reassuring for me to know that, hey, okay lah, this is a legit item. And also below that, you will see the stars, right? The ratings. So out of 5 stars, how many stars are there? Now when you look at Shopee, when you search GoPro Hero 8, you will see a lot of products as well. Same thing as Lazada, you'll see the price, you'll see the stars, the ratings. Now, but one thing that Lazada does not have, that this has, Shopee shows the number of units sold. So for example, in this case, there are 521 people who have previously bought this product. So that is more reassuring to me as a user than just 100% authentic last mall, right? So first impressions, I would definitely say Shopee is doing it way better. Now let's move on to the next category, the product reviews and ratings. For Lazada, 4.8 stars out of 5 stars, so that's a very good rating. But when I scroll down to the ratings and reviews, there are only 4 or 5 reviews. Less than 10, I can stick out with one hand, you know. That means only 5 people probably bought this product and rated it 4 stars or 5 stars. Unless you are saying that everyone bought but then didn't review, so that's another case. But when you look at Shopee, you can easily see more than hundreds of reviews. And one thing I really love about the ratings and reviews in Shopee is that a lot of users, a lot of buyers post videos and photos of the same product. And I think that is really reassuring because you want to be able to see the product itself. How is the packaging like? That has got me lah. So in terms of product review and rating, goes to Shopee again. I hope I'm not the only one shocked in here lah. It does make sense, right? You want to buy something that has more reviews and ratings, and it's not just about whether it's 4.8 stars or 5 stars. You want to make sure that people have bought this, people have used this, and people are talking about it. And last but not least, let's look at value, okay? You want to make sure you peng leng zeng. You want to save money, you want to get the best value, right, when you spend money for something like this. Let's look at Lazada. 1.899 ringgit for this bundle. If you compare the price, Shopee already won because Shopee is 1.7k, so this is about 200 ringgit cheaper. And even if you look at the bundle, there is more things in the package A compared to what Lazada's GoPro Hero 8 is offering lah. So in terms of value, definitely you should go for Shopee. And also in Shopee, what they do is, if you see the stamp called lowest price guaranteed, what does this mean? You can be rest assured that Lazada doesn't have a cheaper price than that or better value than that. So value also for this product, I would say Shopee got it. So that's why in the end, I decided to go with Shopee. Alright, that's all. So I hope that in this video, you get to understand and see the contrast between shopping on Lazada and shopping on Shopee. So for me, in this case, I went with Shopee. I'm not sure about you. Maybe you prefer some other styles of Lazada. But in terms of everyday user buying, this is what I prefer from Shopee because they, number one, they show you how many people have bought it. Number two, the reviews, they have way more reviews. They have more media in the reviews itself. And number three, the value is super good lah, guys. I mean like damn good lah. Look at the package lah. And compared to Lazada, when you compare both wow, you really will go with Shopee one. If you go with Lazada for GoPro Hero 8, I think you rugi only. But yes, I'm going to leave the links of both items, Lazada and Shopee, in the description below. Go ahead and compare for yourself. Try it out on your own right now. You can see the difference. I'm very confident, ladies and gentlemen, that it is way better. You will get way more value. It is much safer to shop on Shopee compared to Lazada. So that's just me. How about you? Leave some comments down below which platform you use. Are you a Shopee person, a Lazada person? For me, sometimes I would use a Lazada. So it depends on the type of product as well. Sometimes certain products you cannot find on Shopee that you can only find on Lazada. But naturally, I will be more inclined to go towards Shopee lah. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And subscribe for more videos coming your way very soon. I will catch you in the next one. Chris out.